Hello guys, yo. Welcome to my Blue Hustle 2.0 review by Shandine, and it will be going live on the 27th of May. Okay guys, so my name is Ikem from C7onlinemarketingmasters.com, a product reviewer and an affiliate marketer. So in a nutshell, the Blue Hustle 2.0 is it's simply an info trading course put up together by Sean, and it will be showing you a simple, profitable online business, all right, in the year 2021 that you'll be doing from the comfort of your home. Okay, so it's really a niche that so many people are really diving into, and so many people want to make profit from this on making money online. And Sean has really done justice to that theme. And from this product he has over here, you'll be seeing everything that you really need to know and you need to do in the affiliate marketing, or whatever the profitable online that you'll be seeing as from this Blue Hustle 2.0. So right now guys, I am in the members area, as I'll be taking you around of the members area to show you what you'll be seeing inside the members area. Okay, this is the members area. As always, I'm always in the members area, and this is how the members area looks like. And this is, you can see Sean Dane over here. So if really this is something that you want to try out how you can start making money online, I guess this info course is just for you. So first of all, we'll be going around. Also, I've also got the sales page that will usher you into properly how you make it, getting a copy for yourself and getting this training. Okay guys, so first of all, I'll be telling you everything that you'll be seeing inside of this members area, right guys? But for now, let's go over to this bonus page that I have also put up for you guys. And in a nutshell, let's go through the Blue Hustle 2.0 and what it's all about. So the Blue Hustle 2.0, it's the fastest way for beginners to make their first dollars ever online. So you've never made any money online, like you feel that it's not real, making money online is false. This beginner training course by Sean, it's for you, and it's something that has been tested and approved. Okay, and is a method that you can really learn quickly, put actions right away without a whole lot of money, and you get results. All right, this particular guy, talking about him in a nutshell, I know him, and I know what he's up to. I know his level because we are all in the same system, both of us. And I have communicated once in a while, a couple of times with him, and for him to have brought out this product, I really think it is worth it. Okay guys, so inside of this product, it's my awesome bonuses I came up with, insane bonuses. I really prepared them just for you if you be getting this product via my link. All right, if you just want to go straight up and get this product, you go click the link down below the description of this video, and there it takes you to the source page, and you can click on any of these buttons here, buttons that you can see over here to get your copy and your bonuses. All right, let's go over straight to the bonuses. Number one, I'll be giving you a hack, the affiliate accelerator. Okay, I put up this bonuses just for you. Okay, so my bonus number two is how you learn YouTube SEO, guys. So my bonus number three is affiliate automation. So whatever it is that you're going to learn from Sean, you can really automate the affiliate process, right? So this is just for you if you're getting this product via my link, guys. So my bonus number four is the Twitter booster. with the Twitter booster, you learn how you can automate truly your Twitter account and everything about your Twitter process, right, guys? So, and bonus number 5 is all of Sean's bonuses, and you'll be getting all of his bonus offers. He's got awesome bonus offers that he's giving me just for you. So if you want to get all of this my insane bonuses, right, they are really um they are awesome, they are great, and it's something that will add value to you out there, guys. So if you want to get all of my bonus offers alongside with the vendor bonuses, right, guys, go straight now to that link below the description of this video, and when you click on that, it takes you to this bonus page, and you can see, you click on any of those buttons to get my bonuses and a copy of this your product, right, guys. Now there is really something, you can see that the clock is fast going down, and once it gets down to zero, all of this my bonus page will go down, and you will not be getting my insane bonuses. And it's not something that you can miss. It's something that once you get it, it will add value to your online scheme and your zeal and whatever it is that you're pushing out for, guys. Okay, so please hurry, those the action takers, the early birds, hurry for this while the clock is still available and still up. All right, so you have a step by step blueprint for making money online, and that is 100% dummy proof that it is newbie friendly. So let me go straight to the prices and the upsells. You get the front end, which I think personally would be enough for you to know everything that this system is talking about and how it works. So you get this front end of the Blue Hustle 2.0 for $12.95. That's 12.95 dollars. That's $12, approximately $13. It may be little compared to the value that you're going to get out of this system. You access the powerful Blue Hustle 2.0 software and the training modules. Okay, so you've got the upsells, as you can see over there, golden bundles and other stuffs, the upsell 2 and the upsell 3 and the upsell 4. All right, guys. So also, here are some of the key benefits that you may be interested in getting this product. It's beginner friendly and simple to implement. You don't need an email list, never seen before step by step video training. Though I really may not agree with the never seen before, because it's quite, we are all it's from the same system, and guys, there are so many patterns out there that you can see, and it's also worth it. So no need to waste time on lengthy methods. All right, he goes straight to the point, and once set up, it runs on autopilot 247 income stream, $1 million support. Yes, you had it right, $1 million support, and no complicated stuff. And all this, it goes for it's all covered by a no question asked 30-day money back guarantee, guys, right? So let's move over to the dashboard. I would just go straight to the dashboard, so you can also see what we're talking about, what you're gonna see inside of the dashboard. So when you enter inside of the dashboard, you're gonna see a welcome video, and you start to see all of the modules that Sean has actually put up. So it's something that when you get it, you're gonna really have to devote your time and checking it out, because they are all worth it, guys. So I really emphasize that you are going to hurry now and be an action and early taker while the offer lasts. Okay, guys. So once more, if you want to get all of these bonuses, remember, don't forget to click that any of this button. First of all, you have to go to the link below the description of this video, where you can click on that link, and it takes you to the sales to this bonus page, and you can click any of these buttons to secure your link, guys. So once you purchase this product, obviously that you'll be purchasing it from the Warrior Plus. All right, so when you see this thank you page after thank you page for your purchase, after purchasing it, just right behind the left corner, as you can see, you see access your affiliate bonuses. Okay, guys, so when you click on it, you get all of these bonus offers that you see up over here, guys. So I want to thank you guys for watching this review video with me and checking out my awesome bonuses, right? So if you're quite interested and and if this review video has added value to you, just click on the subscribe button, okay, and tap on the notification bells, all right, so you have to stay updated to all of my videos. So stay safe, guys, and I hope to see you on the inside, guys.